Hi everyone, my name is Lexi Courtney and I'm the group coordinator of our group, and we are here to talk to you about our infographic on the RAMP program. We were sure to think about the purpose of our infographic when we were coming up with ideas and creating it together. Our infographic's purpose is to inform ON students and potential students of the RAMP program and the amazing opportunities that come along with it. We believe that our infographic accomplishes its purpose through our excellent design choices and meaningful information. It is also easy to understand and easy to follow along. You can tell the main idea of our infographic almost right away when you look at it, which is important for an effective infographic.
Hello, my name is Addison Kennedy. I'm my group's graphic designer. I designed the layout of our infographic and put everything together for us. We chose blue as our primary color for the graphic, with pops of red to tie in Owens and to have good contrast, so when we put red on top of the blue, it really pops. For example, we used red for the bullet points along the mountain to highlight where you're supposed to stop and read during your steps. For the graphics, we used cogwheels, light bulbs, and blueprints to align with engineering because they correlate well together. The RAMP title is the largest text on the paper because it is the first thing we want you to see when you look at our infographic, because that is what the apprenticeship is. And under the RAMP, we put Regional Advanced Manufacturing Partnership because that is what the RAMP stands for. On the top right corner, we put the Owens logo so everybody can know that it is an Owens community thing and you can do it through Owens. Our slogan, "Your path begins here," is on the bottom of the paper because we wanted it to not only explain your success can begin with this apprenticeship, but to show where you also start reading, because you start reading from top to bottom. In the bottom left corner, I included a person with an Owens t-shirt on it to represent the reader, and they can envision themselves climbing the mountain that is the RAMP program. So the reader can put themselves into the infographic and follow those steps to success and ultimately get to their goal. At the top of the mountain is a red flag to symbol you have made it, you did it, you finished, with information of what you become and what the apprenticeship gave you. As you read up the mountain, there are little red bullet points to show you the steps to become an engineer and how you do it and everything that leads up to becoming an engineer. And like I said, at the top is your finish line and what you became. For our graphics, we use cogwheels, light bulbs, blueprints to tie in engineering because those graphics really stand out when me and my group members think of what engineering is. And yeah, our fonts were to show engineering and computer tech, and that's what our fonts were.
Hi. So, some information about RAMP. It is a Regional Advanced Manufacturing Program. That is what it stands for. It is a program that correlates between the students of Owens and the college and the different companies that partner with them. The program consists of a 2-year apprenticeship with classroom and lab-based instruction. You learn skills and you can make money at the same time, which is a nice benefit. And you get to work in your desired field. Most companies pay 50% of your tuition and they pay for the apprenticeship. The minimum wage for these are $15 an hour. There are 2 diet classes and 3 work days where you'd be going to the job site. Students can earn certifications and credentials. They can participate in the Associate of Technical Studies, which is applied engineering, the robotics, which offers students to learn about and prepare automation, designing, engineering, and manufacturing robotic equipment. OSHA requires 30 hours, which is training based on workplace safety, supervisor duties, and how to prevent energies. So they will certify you in the OSHA course, which is a 30-hour course. The certifications will help their resume stand out right after college, making it a lot easier to get a job in those particular fields. By the end, becoming an advanced manufacturing tech and you can earn as much as $600,000 a year. And then for any more information that you have, you can call the number that is on the infographic, or you can visit the website that is listed. So overall, there's a lot of benefits to this program.
We think that our group has created an effective infographic that portrays valuable information about the RAMP program. Our layout, text, colors, graphics, and topography all blend cohesively, making it easy to navigate and take away information with you. We wanted to ensure that our audience or reader would be able to remember the information they read effectively. We have all learned a few lessons along the way of working together. As our group got to know each other better, it was easier for us to communicate, collaborate, and work together. We were assigned roles in the very beginning, which helped everything fall into place and run smoothly. Something we have learned and will maybe do differently in the future is setting clear goals from the start and setting a structured timeline. There were a few times where we found ourselves rushing at last minute to meet a deadline, but it all worked out in the end. Overall, this project has helped us grow in our teamwork, communication, and collaboration skills. Thank you for listening to our oral report, and I hope it finds you well.